AI significantly enhances test coverage and efficiency. AI-powered tools analyze vast data, identifying patterns human testers might miss. They generate test cases based on user behavior, logs, and historical data, ensuring comprehensive scenario coverage. Machine learning algorithms predict and prioritize areas likely to contain defects, allowing testers to focus on high-risk areas, improving overall testing effectiveness. AI also revolutionizes test maintenance. Traditional automated tests break when applications change, but AI-driven tools adapt, reducing time and effort. These self-healing tests update locators, adjust flows, and suggest modifications to keep pace with evolving applications. Natural language processing, or NLP, enables testers to write test cases in plain English, automatically converted into executable scripts. This fosters better collaboration among technical and non-technical team members. Additionally, AI-powered visual testing tools detect visual discrepancies, comparing screenshots, identifying layout issues, and ensuring a better user experience. As AI takes over routine tasks, testers evolve into strategic quality assurance professionals, leveraging AI to enhance processes. To thrive in this AI-driven landscape, testers must develop a new set of skills. Understanding AI and machine learning is crucial for utilizing AI-powered testing tools effectively. Data analysis skills are essential as testers interpret vast amounts of AI-generated data for meaningful insights. Programming skills are still valuable, but the focus is shifting towards languages like Python and R, commonly used in AI and machine learning. Critical thinking and problem-solving skills are vital as testers focus on complex scenarios that require human judgment. Domain expertise becomes more valuable as AI tools generate test cases. Testers with deep business knowledge provide essential input. Soft skills like communication and collaboration are increasingly important as testers explain AI-driven results to developers, product managers, and business leaders. Continuous learning is necessary as AI technologies rapidly evolve. Testers must stay updated on new tools and understand emerging AI technologies to improve testing processes. Security and performance testing skills are evolving as AI systems handle sensitive data and process large volumes of information. Testers must ensure AI-powered applications handle loads efficiently and maintain data privacy and security. Ethical considerations are also at the forefront of AI testing, requiring testers to validate fairness and ethical behavior in AI-driven systems. AI integration is changing how testers approach test design. They must think beyond traditional test cases to effectively test AI components, validate machine learning models, and ensure accurate predictions and robustness to edge cases. Exploratory testing skills remain crucial as human testers uncover issues AI might miss. Test strategy and planning must evolve to combine AI-driven and traditional testing approaches. User experience testing is becoming more sophisticated with AI. Testers need to understand how AI analyzes user behavior and validates AI-driven personalization features. Cross-functional collaboration is essential as AI blurs the lines between development, testing, and operations. API testing skills are crucial as AI systems rely on complex integrations. Testers must be proficient in testing APIs and validating data flows. Test environment management skills must evolve to handle AI system complexities, including replicating production environments accurately. Accessibility testing is gaining importance as AI becomes integrated into user interfaces. Mobile testing skills are adapting to AI, addressing challenges like performance, battery usage, and device compatibility. Cloud testing skills are essential as many AI systems deploy in the cloud. Version control and configuration management skills are evolving to manage AI models, test data, and configurations. Test reporting skills are adapting to communicate AI-driven test results effectively. Testers must interpret complex AI-generated data and present it in understandable ways. Risk assessment skills are becoming more nuanced, addressing unique AI system risks, including biases, ethical concerns, and the impact of AI decisions on users and businesses. Compliance testing is increasingly important as AI systems face more regulation. Testers must design tests ensuring compliance with industry regulations. As AI reshapes test automation, it redefines what we test. AI systems' non-deterministic nature, producing different results based on learning and data exposure, requires a shift in test design and validation. Testers must develop strategies for testing machine learning models, validating training data, and ensuring robustness to adversarial inputs. Testing AI decisions' explainability is crucial, especially as AI is used in critical decision-making processes. Testers must ensure AI decisions are explainable and justified. Test data management is evolving, requiring testers to ensure representative, unbiased data and generate synthetic data for diverse scenarios. As AI systems become more autonomous, testers must validate decision-making processes, ethical decision-making, handling conflicting objectives, and operating safely. AI integration is also changing how we measure and report software quality. Testers need new metrics and KPIs to measure AI-powered applications' quality, reliability, and effectiveness. The role of automation testers is evolving from scriptwriters to orchestrators of complex test scenarios, combining traditional automation with AI-driven testing. Testers must design test architectures leveraging human expertise and AI capabilities. As AI becomes prevalent in critical systems, long-term stability testing is crucial. Testers must ensure AI systems maintain performance and reliability over time, even as they learn and adapt. The future of test automation is about creating synergy between human expertise and AI capabilities. Testers who embrace AI, develop new skills, and adapt to changing roles will position themselves as invaluable assets in quality assurance, driving software quality to new heights. Take the first step toward mastering AI-driven test automation and unlock new opportunities in your testing